Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome.
Roll cameras!
Welcome to another video. And something, you messed me up, man.
Spanner. Oh, buggery dropped the
Hello,
spanner.
ladies and gentlemen. And welcome to another video, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, will be part 3 of the pillar drill putting together into the corner, sort of doom flatchy. We are getting it done now. We just need to put all the pieces on here. Yes, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy.
Shot.
Well, hello.
Hello. Right, so
Here we are.
here we are. So what I've done is I've attached the flywheel and the belt, so we now have movement in all this. Yes. And then that. And up there. So we will have movement. We also have the arm on. The old man is just tightening up everything. So the table will go now, which is the big circular thing over yonder. That moves really smoothly. All that grace did well. And also, something really basic, but absolutely excellent. So, we've got one of these bits here. We put it into...
Let me come over the way.
With the normal... Sort of, could you turn that for me? So that comes around. There you go. So, with the normal chuck over there, you have to tighten it. With this, it's just a little bit of pressure. So as it goes down, it gets tighter. And when you get out, you've got this little thing here, and you slot it in there. It comes out. It's the most basic but brilliant thing you could do with a drill, bro. I swear. I need to
Keep swearing.
get.
You're alright, I'm getting out the bloody way. We're old, we don't move fast.
Right, so we just roughly got it in. There's a little bit of a high point in there. But basically, there's nothing in that. There's barely any gap between the actual.
It does turn.
Does still turn. Barely any gap between the belt and the ceiling. There's about a centimetre. So I have no clue what I'm doing. I'm just taking bits off. So I've taken this little lever here off of here, which locks that in place. Now, taking that off. Nothing really I could do from that. I've taken the 2 bolts from here out. 1 and 2. I've just taken this off of the front of here, and I've just realised there's actually a but if it's against the body of the pillar drill, so I'm going to have to find another way to get that out. That'll be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. There will be a part 4 to this restoring pillar drill series. Just hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like if you liked the video. Comment what you liked, what you didn't like. And I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.